English Paircast.
Real talk, real English.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Paircast.
Hi guys, we're really happy you're here with us today.
I'm Alex,
And I'm Emma.
and today we're talking about something very important.
Very important and very scary for many learners.
Exactly, intermediate English conversations.
That stage where you understand English
But speaking still feels hard,
or awkward
or slow.
or all three at the same time.
Exactly. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place.
Yes, this episode is for people who are not beginners,
But also don't feel fluent yet.
that uncomfortable middle stage.
Emma, can I be honest?
Always.
I feel like intermediate is harder than beginner.
Really? Why?
Because as a beginner, nobody expects much from you.
True.
But as an intermediate speaker, people expect you to talk.
Yes, and that pressure is real.
Sometimes people say, your English is good.
And that makes it worse.
Exactly, because then I think, oh no, now I have to prove it.
That's such an honest feeling.
My brain suddenly forgets everything.
This is very common at the intermediate level.
So today, we're not focusing on grammar rules.
Or difficult vocabulary lists.
We're focusing on conversation.
Real conversation.
The kind you have with friends, coworkers, or new people.
Before we start, quick reminder for everyone listening.
If you enjoy this podcast,
Please like this episode.
and subscribe to English Paircast.
It really helps us grow and reach more learners.
All right. Emma, what does intermediate conversation actually mean?
Good question. It means you can communicate.
But not always comfortably.
You might search for words
You might hesitate.
or translate in your head.
A lot.
But you can still express ideas.
So the problem is not English itself.
Exactly. The problem is confidence and flow.
Flow is a big word.
Yes, flow means speaking without stopping too much,
Without panic.
without overthinking every sentence.
That's me. I overthink everything.
Most intermediate learners do.
Sometimes I think about grammar while I'm speaking.
That's very normal.
And very annoying.
Yes, because grammar should come later.
Not during the conversation.
Exactly. Conversation comes first.
So what should intermediate learners focus on?
3 main things.
Okay, I'm listening.
First, reacting naturally.
Like, really? And oh wow.
Exactly.
Second,
Second, keeping the conversation going.
not killing it with silence.
Yes, asking questions, showing interest.
And the third?
Third, accepting mistakes.
That one is hard.
It is, but it's necessary.
Because mistakes don't stop communication.
Exactly. Fear does.
Emma, when did you notice learners struggle the most?
When conversations become casual,
Not exams,
not tests.
but small talk?
Yes, casual conversations are the hardest.
Like talking at work,
Or meeting friends of friends.
or chatting before a meeting starts.
Exactly.
There's no script.
And that's scary.
That's why today's episode is very practical.
We'll give you phrases
Reactions,
and conversation habits.
things you can use immediately.
Not someday, today.
I like that.
Good, because now,
We're ready to go deeper.
yes, let's move into real intermediate conversation skills.
I'm ready.
Listeners, stay with us.
Emma, can I say something a bit embarrassing?
Those are usually the best things. Go on.
Sometimes I understand everything someone says to me,
Okay.
but my brain goes completely empty when I need to respond.
That is very common.
Like, I'm not confused, I just don't know how to react.
That's actually an intermediate level problem, not a beginner one.
Really?
Yes, beginners struggle with understanding. Intermediates struggle with reacting.
That makes me feel a bit better.
Good, because today we're fixing that.
Perfect. Where do we start?
Let's start with reactions. Real conversations are full of reactions, not long sentences.
True. Native speakers react all the time.
Exactly. Short reactions show interest and confidence.
Like what?
Let's imagine I say, I had a really stressful day at work.
My old reaction would be, oh,
Very honest.
but not very helpful.
Right. A better reaction could be,
Oh no, what happened?
perfect, simple, natural, caring.
And grammar is easy.
Exactly. Reactions don't need complex grammar.
What if I'm surprised?
Then you can use, really? No way. You're kidding.
Those sound very native.
Because they are, and they're safe to use.
What if I want to show interest?
Try, that sounds interesting. Tell me more. How did that happen?
I notice these are mostly questions.
Great observation. Questions keep conversations alive.
So reacting is not about talking a lot.
Exactly. It's about responding naturally.
Okay, what about agreeing?
Agreeing is very important in intermediate conversations.
Because people like feeling understood.
Yes, if someone says, I think learning English takes patience.
I can say, I agree.
That's correct, but a bit short.
How do I make it better?
Add a reason. I agree, it definitely takes time.
Or, yeah, I feel the same way.
Perfect. What if I agree partially?
Then say, I agree to some extent, but
That sounds advanced. It sounds advanced, but it's very useful.
can you give an example?
Sure, I agree to some extent, but I think practice matters more than talent.
Nice, balanced, and polite.
Exactly. Now let's talk about disagreeing.
That's scary.
It doesn't have to be. Disagreeing politely is a skill.
I usually avoid it completely.
Many learners do, but you don't need to argue.
So, how do I disagree softly?
Use phrases like, I'm not sure I agree. I see your point, but that's interesting, however.
Those sound very respectful.
Exactly. You're not attacking the person.
You're just sharing another view.
Right. Let's try a small role play.
Okay, I'll start.
I think watching movies is the best way to learn English.
I see your point, but I think speaking practice is more important.
That was excellent.
Really?
Yes, natural, calm, confident.
I didn't even feel stressed saying it.
That's because you used a safe structure.
I like that phrase, safe structure.
Intermediate learners need safety first.
What about when conversations slow down?
The awkward silence.
My enemy.
You can break silence with simple fillers.
Like what?
By the way, actually, speaking of that,
Oh, transitions.
yes, they help you change or continue topics.
So if I say, speaking of work, how's your job?
That's perfect.
Emma, this already feels very practical.
Good, because in the next part,
We're going deeper
yes, full intermediate conversations.
with mistakes
Of course,
and fixes?
always.
I'm excited.
Good, stay with us.
Emma, can I tell you something honest?
Of course.
Sometimes I understand everything someone says to me,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know how to respond.
Yes, that's a classic intermediate problem.
My brain is like, okay, I understand, now what?
Exactly.
So I just smile.
Or say, yeah,
Or okay.
and the conversation dies.
Yes, it just stops.
This is where reaction phrases save you.
Reaction phrases?
Short, natural responses that show you're engaged.
Like what?
Simple things. Oh, really? That makes sense. I see. No way.
Those sound easy.
They are easy, but very powerful.
Why are they so important?
Because conversation is not just information.
It's connection.
Exactly. Reactions show emotion and interest.
So even if I don't have a long answer?
You can still participate.
That's a relief. Let's practice. I'll say something, you react naturally.
Okay, let's try. I started a new job last week.
Oh, really? How is it so far?
Perfect. You reacted and asked a follow-up question.
That felt natural.
Exactly. No grammar stress.
Try another one. I'm thinking about moving to another country.
Wow, that's a big decision. Where are you thinking of going? Excellent.
Really?
Yes, this is exactly intermediate level conversation.
So the key is not long answers.
It's keeping the flow.
Emma, what about when I don't understand something?
Very important question.
Because sometimes I panic.
You don't need to.
Really?
Yes, native speakers don't understand everything either.
That's comforting.
You just need polite clarification phrases.
Like,
Sorry, could you repeat that? Could you say that again? What do you mean by that?
those don't sound embarrassing.
They're not.
What if I understand part of it?
Then say, so you mean that? Do you mean?
Ah, checking understanding.
Exactly. Very professional, very natural.
Emma, I also struggle with silence.
Most people do.
Silence feels awkward in English,
Here's a secret. Short pauses are okay,
even for native speakers.
especially for native speakers.
So I don't need to fill every second.
No, but you can use fillers.
Fillers?
Natural thinking sounds. Well, let me think. That's a good question.
Oh, I like those.
They buy you time.
And make you sound fluent.
Exactly.
Eva, can we talk about storytelling?
Yes, very important for intermediate speakers.
I feel my stories are boring.
They're not boring, they're just short.
How do I improve that?
Add 3 things: context, feeling, result.
Can you explain?
Sure. Instead of, I had a bad day,
Okay.
say, yesterday at work, everything went wrong. I was really stressed, but in the end, I learned a lot.
That sounds much better.
Same English level, better structure.
So intermediate learners don't need harder words.
They need better organization.
That's a big mindset shift.
It is.
Emma, what about confidence?
Confidence comes from survival, not perfection.
What do you mean?
When you survive conversations,
Even messy ones?
especially messy ones,
I like that.
each conversation builds proof. I can do this.
Even with mistakes.
Mistakes are part of fluency.
That's something learners need to hear more.
Absolutely. Let's give listeners a challenge.
Good idea.
This week, try 3 things.
1. Use reaction phrases.
2. Ask at least 1 follow-up question.
3. Tell a short story with feeling.
That's doable.
Very doable.
And don't worry about being perfect.
Worry about being present.
Emma, this episode feels important.
It is. Intermediate is where people quit.
Or break through.
Exactly.
To everyone listening, you're closer than you think.
Keep going.
Keep speaking.
And keep making mistakes.
That's the best advice.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like it.
and subscribe to English Paircast.
New episodes, real conversations, no pressure.
We're learning together.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.